Welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play Mad World by Gary Jules. So there's literally only going to be about 2-3 sections that we actually need to go over, which makes up the whole song. So we're going to start with the right hand first. And you're going to start with your third finger on A flat above middle C, which is here on my piano. So the intro is going A flat, C, G, A flat, F, G, E flat, D. I'll do that again. And then the second part to that, you're going to play A flat again, and then C, G, A flat, F, G, A flat, B flat. I'll do that part again. So the left hand is going to play an F minor chord, which is F, A flat and C. And then it's going to change to a B flat major, which is B flat, D and F. You can, to make it easy, you can just sustain the chords at the beginning of each bar, or you can break them up like this, so playing the root note followed by the third on top. So I'm going to put that intro together very slowly. Okay, so now for the melody line of the verse. So you're going to stay in this same position, and the right hand is going F, A flat, F, C, A flat, B flat, G, B flat, A flat, G, F. So all I'm playing is just a vocal melody line and the syllables that he's singing. We'll try that again. And then you just repeat that 4 more times. So the left hand is still playing the F minor chord, and then it's going to change to an A flat major, which is A flat, C and E flat, and then an E flat major, which is E flat, G and B flat, and then the B flat major again. And that chord progression repeats again. So I'm going to very slowly put that together for you. So that goes through that chord progression 4 times, like I said. So the next bit is just the bridge. So the left hand is just going back to playing just the F minor and the B flat major, and the right hand is going to go F, A flat, C, D, B flat, B flat, D, B flat, F. And then it does that again. And then the last one of those goes like this. And then it's into the mad world. So I'm going to put that part together now with the left hand. So for the Mad World part, you could just go back to playing the intro because it's incredibly similar. So one very last little bit to do, which is the outro. After he sang Mad World for the last time, the right hand is just going to go play single notes. So A flat, G, F, E flat, D. So I'll put that together. And you're just going to hold the chord down in your left hand. And then you could play single B flat or octave B flats. And that concludes the end of the piece. So I've linked the full chord song lyric structure in the description below so you can piece it together and follow along. If you have enjoyed this video and it's been useful, please give it a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to Bitesize Piano if you haven't already for many more tutorials like this one. If you have any song requests, please leave them in the comments section below. All requests are noted and considered. I look forward to talking with you all there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!